Chairman and I went to UST through the effort of MMDA, engaging private properties or areas to participate in development of our drainage or flooding problems in Metro Manila. Hopefully, maging successful yon, mga initial meetings. Although in the past, they have attempted already, but Chairman and your city government is in sync with regard to this type of plan. Now, with regard naman to our public places, Chairman na gusto niyang gawin yung isang aming property doon sa may Remedios, yung Raha Soliman, na maging water catchment din. At yung circle namin, what you call the Remedios Circle. So these are in line with our general master plan, drainage master plan ng City Government of Manila. At natutuwa rin kami na si Chairman Artes at ang MMDA ay gagawa ng mga drainage system base na sa master plan ng Manila. Kasi katulad ng Quezon City, magkatabi kami, si Mayor Joy, may master plan na rin ang Quezon City. Ang Manila meron na. Mag-uusap na lang yung mga tubo. And that will happen through the leadership of MMDA because this is a interlocal government unit na. So one way or another, it will take time to develop these things, but things are moving on with regard to infusing physical development of our...
Tama po ba, Mayor? Water impounding facility na tayo talaga papunta?
That's the one. It will cushion the level of water. No? It may solve a particular area's flooding, but it will not solve general flooding area. Talagang flood control project is the solution. Let us not confuse ourselves with what we are doing right now. This is a precautionary cushioning the high impact of load of water na yung what you call downpour, sabi ng mga scientists, no? Yun, importante yun. Na kahit papaano naman, yung mamamayan makatikim ng maibsan yung nararamdaman nilang araw-araw na kinakarap tuwing umuulan. And we know that already, we are a tropical country, 8 months of the year, it's gonna rain, and it's getting worse. That cannot be denied. Hindi nga bagyo, bumaba na, paano kung bagyo pa? So these are the measures that your national government through MMDA and local government of Manila working hand in hand, and hopefully meron din mga initiative yung DPWH, and I hope by this time moving forward, no, they will know how to follow elementary rule in working hand in hand to all, not only to Manila, to all local government units.
Pinag-utos naman po yan ng ating Pangulo na yung mga proyekto, lalong-lalo na po sa flood control measures, ay ikonsulta sa mga local government units. In fact, I received last week lang a memo from the Executive Secretary stating clearly na ikonsulta yung mga local governments dahil mas alam nila yung sitwasyon on the ground, sila yung araw-araw na andito sa kanilang locality at alam nila kung yung problema at alam rin nila at makakapag-suggest din po sila ng solusyon. So, yan po ay ayon sa direktiba ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
Yung mga pumping stations, sir, na-coordinate na po ba sa DPWH na mapagana? Kasi parang may mga pumping stations na hindi pa gumagana.
Well, nagko-coordinate naman kami. In fact, I think 2 weeks ago, yung isa pong pumping station dito sa Faura, doon sa malapit sa Dolomite Beach, ay napagana at nakita naman namin may konti lang siguro adjustments doon dahil medyo maliit yung catchment area, madaling nauubos yung tubig pag pinapump. Again, problema rin pa rin siguro yung baradong drainage doon, kaya hindi makaabot yung tubig doon sa pump na ginawa ng DPWH. Pero again, i-address po namin yan unti-unti.
Sir, yung mga status sa mga pumping station natin dito sa Metro, sa City of Manila, given na binahanan naman tayo nakarang araw yung bumuso po natin?
Well, yung pong mga pumping stations na under po ng MMDA ay lahat po gumagana. Yung 71 na pumping stations po natin, nagkaroon lang ng problema yung isa sa nabotas nung isang araw. Yung starter niya medyo nasira, medyo luma na rin kasi. Pero agad naman na gawa ng paraan at na isaayos within the day. So, pero the rest, wala pong problema at gumagana po lahat ng pumping stations natin. Including about 24 na nandito po sa lungsod na Maynila.
Mayor, yung rainfall impounding facility
I'm
po
sorry?
natin, the rainfall impounding facility, kailan kaya ito posibleng mag-materialize?
It will take time to develop. Alam mo, physical development takes time. But what matter most is that things are being done. And ako kasi, meron akong simpleng paniwala. No? In problem solving, the first course of action is accepting that there is a problem. If we keep on denying those things, as if nothing. That's at the same time, ang magsasakripisyo taong bayan. So, now, here, as you can see, it's been so many incidents that MMDA and local government unit are working hand in hand. Yun naman ay kinalulugod namin. In fact, with the statement of chairman that the directive of the president to coordinate accordingly, properly, the local government unit when they are going to introduce development in the locality. So that is one thing that kung ako ay ahensya ng gobyerno under the office of the president, that is already a policy. It's a leadership policy. Kaya I think they should follow. Igdan naman tayo. Kung matatapos ba to sa lalong madaling panahon, of course, salamat sa Diyos.
Sir, yung drainage master plan, nasang status or nasang stage na po tayo?
We just finished it when I assumed office. I had it done, studied in 2022. Natapos siya nitong pag-upo ko, dumating sa lamesa ko. Now we are implementing it, sharing it with DPWH, sharing it with MMDA. Because I, for one, as a city, no, on behalf of the city, we cannot build 140 billion pesos simultaneously to repipe, create culvert, and all other drainage system that are available under the master plan. Now, having said that, natutuwa nga kami, katulad na nabanggit ko na kanina, MMDA, magdadala kami ng pondo dyan. Nasaan ba yung ano nyo? Bigyan mo nga kami ng 100 meters. Bigyan mo nga kami ng 500 meters. Bigyan mo nga kami ng 1 kilometer. I hope DPWH will do the same. Why? Siyempre, kung gagawin mo rin lang naman, doon mo na igawin sa tama. So at least alam mo may uuwian na maayos. So it will take time, but it's going to be done.
Turn over mo sa akin officially.
Ayan.
So, ito po, yung drainage master plan po, ito po yung magiging biblia namin, particularly ng national government, sa pagpapasagawa po ng mga drainage dito sa Manila City. So, dapat po sundin namin ito.
Nagpapasalamat naman kami kasi wala kaming kakayanang pananalapi. Ang MMDA may konting savings and they are developing Metro Manila. Hindi naman to pang Maynila lang yung ginagawa ng MMDA. But it will ease our expenses developing infrastructure projects that will confront the flooding. Now, the question is, mararamdaman ba ng taong bayan pagka nakagawa na kami ng 500 meters, 1 kilometers? Hindi pa po. Pero sigurado tayo, kapag ang gobyerno nagtuloy-tuloy sa tatahaking ganito, yung mga apo natin at anak natin napapasok sa eskwelahan and magtatrabaho, maghanap buhay, will not suffer the way we are suffering right now. So we're doing this for the next generation na meron ng direksyon ang gobyerno ng Maynila at ang MMDA. I hope other agencies of the government, national government, will participate in line with this journey.